Let me show you how you can close all of your pages on the iPhone. So whenever I browse my internet on the device, like I go to the Safari, you can see I have the Apple website open. But if I go to all of the open tabs, you can see I have 3 open, but I usually have much more. So I can either swipe them away individually to close them or click on the X button to close the individual tabs. But as we are already in here, we can close all of the open tabs or pages at the same time by holding down on the blue check mark in the bottom right corner. So when we do it like this, you can see that the close all tabs button appears. So in my case, I only have 2 open, but I close all of them with a click of a button like that. We have to confirm it again, but now all of the tabs are closed and now I'm stuck with just this one, the main one, which is empty. So that's how we can do this, and that's how we can close all of the pages on the Safari at once. Just keep in mind that you can also set it up automatically. So for that, if we go to your settings, and if you happen to be on the main page like I'm right now, and at the bottom you go to apps, and from those find Safari. So you should be able to see it in here, Safari, like that. And a part of these options, you should see the close tabs. And this is your, you have the ability here to decide if you only close your tabs manually, or if the ones which are older than 1 day, 1 week, or a month are going to be closed automatically without you having to worry about it. So if you tend to accumulate all of the open tabs while browsing the internet, it might be a good idea to switch it to 1 week, for example, or a month, perhaps even a day, and then you don't even have to keep on closing the tabs manually. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about this below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.